YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a what's in the box on A&A's Sumpless drain cover made by AquaStar. We're going to dive in and just show you guys what comes included. All right guys, and we're back. So again today we are going to go over the AquaStar Sumpless drain cover that actually is provided by A&A Manufacturing here in Phoenix, Arizona. The part number for the one that we're going to go over today is the actual 10-inch Sumpless drain cover. It is part number 569483, so that's the white version. They will have multiple drain cover colors for you guys, so you guys can choose based upon kind of where you want to put it. But the really nice thing about these drain covers is they are meant to be sumpless, meaning that when you actually plumb it in, you're only going to plumb the pipe up to the drain, and then the cover goes over it after your pebble. So it makes it really nice and easy. Typically, you're going to only want to put these in like spas or on your sidewalls for leaf vacs or for your typical venturi skimmer if it has an additional leaf, another capture down low. That's where you're going to put these on. You can treat them as just a normal drain cover for pretty much any of those sidewalls, including your spa. So pretty simple. When you guys open up the box here, it really only comes with two separate pieces. So you guys actually have, I take that back, three separate pieces. So you guys have your actual trim ring, your actual trim ring that will go on after you guys have mounted the piece to the wall itself. It comes with all the included anchors and screws and spacers and everything in here, which is really nice. And then they actually give you a nice little installation guide here so that they can kind of tell you if you guys are dealing with existing drain covers or if you guys are actually doing this based off of new construction. So like I said, it comes in a variety of different colors. Every piece of the actual drain cover is going to be that specific color, so that way everything blends. It's not like you can have a gray trim and then a white actual cover piece. So you guys do want to make sure that you get the color that you want, because all of it's going to be that color. Typically, light gray is one of the most popular ones, aside from white. White really works well with any kind of plaster style pools. So if you guys have plaster and you guys don't have any kind of pebble tech, I would suggest going with this one, especially from a new build or if you're just looking for a new cover. So really cool. The 6 colors that they do have is you got white, you got black, you have light gray, obviously you have dark gray. They do make it blue and then also a tan. So just depending on what color scheme that you guys actually have going on in your pool, you guys can choose that from there. So make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We've got a link to take you to all these items directly on our website, directly for sale for you guys, especially any of our local guys. You guys can come by and pick them up. If you guys got any questions, again, make sure you guys hit the website, reach out. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We've got a ton of videos coming your way with A&A stuff, Pentair stuff, Jandy stuff, all the kind of stuff that you guys want out there. So I really appreciate you guys watching. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.